Hello everyone, I am GA Pramodya. My index number is 20APC4638. So, in this presentation, I am going to present about data collection in business intelligence. I selected as aspect of business intelligence is called data collection. This is the table of content of my presentation. First, introduction to data collection, then importance of data collection in business intelligence. Then I will discuss about some practical applications and use cases, and then types of data collected in business intelligence scope. Then challenges in data collection, and finally a conclusion part. Introduction to data collection. Uh, Data collection is the process of gathering, organizing, and storing information from various sources to be used for analysis in business intelligence. So, data is the fundamental things for all of the data-driven approaches. It is so that's why it is very important aspect in business intelligence scope as well. So these are some key features. First, we have to collect raw data from various sources, and then after we have to structure the collected data and finally store collected data in the unified system. Let's discuss about importance of data collection in business intelligence. Why it is important? As you can see on the screen, data is the backbone of business intelligence. Without data, analysis and decision making are impossible. It ensures decisions are evidence based rather than intuition based. It is the key to understanding business trends, customer behaviors, and optimizing trends. So, practical approaches and use cases. Here are I selected some practical approaches and use cases, and here I will discuss about retail sector, healthcare sector, and manufacturing. In retail sector, uh, data collectors will collect buying patterns and how people buy some selected product. Using customer purchase history, they can plan how their marketing should be happen, target marketing and inventory management things. So second one is healthcare sector to identify a special disease or predictive diagnosis and personalized treatments. It is important data collection approach in healthcare sector. And third one is manufacturing sector, collecting sensor data from machines to predict failures and optimize maintenance. So by collecting some data, then we can study them and apply to uh, the relevant sector. So there we will divide data into various types in data collection process. Here I have considered about internal data, external data, and survey data and observational study data. Internal data in the sense sales records, financial records, those kind of things we can collect in within the organization. External data in the sense the data which we are collecting from external source like social media or newspapers or research papers. Third one is survey data. That means the data we collect from feedback, user customer feedbacks and customer service, those kind of methods we are used to collect survey data. Observational study data is the last one. So observational, that means real some data we collect from studying real-time behaviors of some scenario. Then there are some challenges in data collection process. Let's see what are the challenges. So they are data quality and accuracy. So we have to ensure that we have accurate and quality data. Data is the fundamental thing. So that's why it is very important to ensure that we have accurate and quality data. Then privacy and security. So we are collecting sensitive data of our users. So that's why we prove them. We have to prove them to be a strong. We have a strong system to protect their privacy and security. And data integration, combining data from multiple sources and formats. It can be a complex case. So that's why it may be a challenge. volume and velocity of data, and cost of resources. When we consider about data collection, we have to think about this aspect as well. So conclusion, in this presentation, I have discussed about data collection aspects in business intelligence scope. So I have discussed some what is data collection and importance of it, and challenges and those kind of things. That's all of my presentation on data collection. Uh, Thank you so much. I hope you have now clear idea. Now you have clear idea of data collection aspects.